welcome back to the channel. Look, if you've been following along for these 3 days, you know that I've been testing out Doordash only with a low acceptance rate, seeing if it's something viable and seeing if you can still cherry pick like we used to in the old days. And man, I hate to say it, but the days of cherry picking are done with Doordash only. But if you use multiple apps, you can still cherry pick. So today we're gonna be testing out me multi-apping versus someone who uses Doordash only with a high acceptance rate. Now, maybe at some time we'll try to test out something with someone who has a lower acceptance rate versus a multi-apper. I'm back to showing you how I make my money by being very selective with multiple apps. Now, Pedro's gonna come out, he's gonna test out Doordash over here with his high acceptance rate, and he's gonna see if he's able to hit his daily goal and make some money, which I think he will be able to, because with it being Thursday, with it being a nice area, a nice amount of orders out here, I think he's gonna be able to do it. He knows what to do. But if you got a low acceptance rate, it might be kind of hard for you. Now, I'm not finna test it out right now because I ain't made no money all week. I'm back to multi-apping. I got a Walmart Spark right now, $23, 2 drop-offs, and we got an incentive, so I'm going for that, and I'm finna multi-app along the way. Big bro's headed out here now. I'm about to drop off this second batch and get my first $23 of the day.
Yes, sir.
Hey, with a low acceptance rate, $13 for 10.7 miles. I had to let that one go, but I did get a screenshot for you. I wanted y'all to see that one.
So if it's going 10 miles, but it's a lot of highway, I might have to jump on these because of the cash flow. I'm gonna have to adapt my strategy a little bit today because I'm in a different zone. It's a little more rural, not as densely populated.
That over there.
So Dasher, I think
that over there
is doing.
I'm gonna be multi-apping today.
So
check me out.
I
already got an order done, $23 on Walmart Spark, and I've been getting screenshots on Doordash. I'm actually about to turn on Uber here in a second.
So I schedule myself. I'll show you guys the screenshots what we get, and we're gonna have a good day. I'm assuming he's gonna make more money than me.
I hope so. Look,
what time are we meeting back up?
Let's call it 2 o'clock. Oh man, we jamming today. I just got back-to-back batches. I just got a $20 order on Spark as soon as Pedro drove off. And look at this, $10. What's that? 1 order for 6.9 miles. I normally wouldn't even take that, but guess what? I got a Walmart Spark going in the same direction. Wow, I'm about to knock both of them out. Let's go. Yes, sir. Boom. So I got a Starbucks going, a $10 Starbucks run going 6 miles down the road. Now, and also I got a $26 run on Walmart Spark. Man, let's go. Boom. I'm finna get both of these orders done within like 30 minutes and have enough time to get back and do a whole nother order. All right, we're gonna head to Starbucks first. Starbucks is right over here across the street. So you know I'm going right inside. Let's go. First Doordash order of the day. Starbucks, $10, 6 point something miles. It was ready to go. Let's get this money. We got a $26 Walmart Spark that we're gonna do on. So we're gonna get all of it done in the first hour. This is how you multi-app. Let's get $0.50 for 10.9 miles. Now, if I was only doing Doordash, this might be something I have to take to keep the wheels rolling. But guess what? I got Walmart Spark today, so those 7 items at Quiznos, they're gonna stay right there. For what's that? 4.5 miles at McAllister's Deli, and that's exactly where it's gonna stay. Stop playing with me. Two. What's that? $11.48 for 14 miles. We got Uber Eats offer, $11 for 5 miles, and Qdoba, I would take it. Offer, $9.75 for 10 miles at Chick-fil-A, and look, Chick-fil-A right over there, and I still ain't finna grab it. I got this $11 going 5 miles on Uber, and I know I'm gonna get something better on Walmart Spark. So I can record myself and, you know, look crazy as hell, make it fun while I'm out here doing deliveries and shit. Absolutely. I don't want to use my red Doordash bag. You know, I like to color coordinate my dash bag with my outfit. And you know what? The red don't go with what I got on today. So I'm rocking with the Food Dudes black. But while I'm sitting here explaining which delivery bag I'm going to use, let me just go over a couple of these deliveries that Doordash decided to send me. So y'all saw the $13 Chick-fil-A order, but I'm going to throw a screenshot up real quick. Then they also sent me a $10.50 for 9.4 miles. Had to let it go. Couldn't even do that. Next order, $10, 6.9 miles. Now I took that one because I took it in conjunction with a $26 Walmart Spark order. So that made me have a $36 hour with Walmart Spark and Doordash. Let's go. 26 on that Walmart Spark order. Got 2 screenshots. I liked it so much. Next order they sent me, Doordash sent me $14.50 for 10.9 miles, y'all. That's a 22-mile round trip. 7 items at Quiznos, and when I checked the items, 3 of them were silverware, so that should let you know right there. My favorite place in the whole world, McAllister's Deli, $5.75 for 4.5 miles. And guess what? It's gonna stay over there just a little bit longer because we do not play there. Then before I made it over here to Quiznos, Doordash decided to bless me with a $5.25 order for for 3.3 miles, so I had to let all of those go. And I actually still got it running right now just to see if I was gonna get anything I was gonna be able to stack with, but it's not looking like that's happening. So we finna keep these wheels rolling. But $36 for my very first hour, and that's not even counting the Walmart Spark order I got done before Pedro made it out here. So technically I'm at like 58 bucks already in my first hour of work. Let's get it. Here, mute your microphone for me, just for a quick sec. Look at this, New China. Ooh, you know what? I think I might take this. We got order New China, $11.50 for 12 miles. Now look, I normally wouldn't take an order like this, but it's taking me back by my Walmart. I'm gonna take this. This is a, okay, so this is an order that's reverse miles to money ratio. It's 12 miles for $11. But I'm down here by the restaurant and it's taking me back up to my Walmart. I'm taking this order. This is a, you know, basically a once in a blue moon situation, because there's usually never a time where I can take an order like this and make it work for me. But check this out. I'm multi-apping today. I got Uber running, Spark running, and Doordash. So now this is the opportunity where I can take this undesirable order and I'm finna make it work. Alrighty, first 2 hours down, and I just got this next order. $13 for 11 miles, 2 orders at Buffalo Wild Wings. I can't do that. I cannot. That is taking me 12 miles outside of my zone. I just can't do that. Let's see what we got here on Spark. Damn! $16 for 3 miles, and somebody snatched it up like a hotcake. I couldn't even get it. But you know what? It's all good though, because I'm at the 2 hour mark and we doing real good. I did 2 orders on Uber, I did 2 orders on Doordash, and I also did 2 orders on Walmart Spark. My 2 Uber orders, I did an $11 order and a $6 order, so that right there is 17 bucks. I'm just gonna whip out the calculator so I get everything right the first time. 11 plus 6, that's 17. Then we got 21.50 on Doordash. Boom, that's 38.50 right there. And then if I tab on over to Spark, I did 2 orders over there, one for 26 bucks and one for 23.28. So first 2 hours down, we sitting at $87.78. Let's go. Stop playing with me, man. Multi-app madness all day. I suffered for 3 days for y'all doing Doordash, only showing you that you cannot make no money cherry picking like we used to. First 2 hours, $43 an hour and some change, 87 bucks, 2 hours, let's go. I cannot be stopped, man. Stop playing with me. I told y'all I was FDA. Come on, man. I told y'all. Alrighty, we just made it back over here by the restaurants. We got $7.50, 5.4 miles over here at Qdoba. Boom, I'm gonna go ahead and take that one because I don't have my next Spark order yet. I don't got nothing on Uber. And this order is, you know, is 1-to-1 miles to money ratio, and I can still accept the Spark while I'm dropping this one off. $5 add-on, an additional mile. If it was $6, it would have been a hidden tip indicator. But you know what, it's Panera. I'm right here. I'll take that add-on because you know what? I don't got nothing else on my other apps. I'm keeping myself busy and I'm getting closer to that $100 goal. I'm definitely gonna hit it before the 3 hour mark. Got this one right here. Probably can't even see it. $12, 5.5 miles right here at Poke Munch. Doing good, how you doing? Good. I got 2. I got Alyssa and Richard. So we got a 2-minute wait. Alrighty, so if I can get both of these orders dropped off in the next 10 minutes, that'll be 2 more orders done before the 3rd hour. And I'm already over $100 for this shift because I've been multi-apping. This is what you want to do, guys. If you got a low acceptance rate on Doordash and you're not making no money, you know, I know some folks is gonna have a low AR, but you know what? They're gonna have programs. They're gonna have large order, pizza bag, and they not gonna have no problems. But for all my people out there who ain't got no LOP or no pizza bag program, you know, download a couple more apps. That way you can hit your daily goal easier and not be stressed out with Doordash, you feel me? All right, just got my next order. We got $8, 1 mile, right over here on Uber Eats. We heading to Chick-fil-A, right across from that Chipotle where I met up with Pedro. So we had a good clip today. Just hit 3 hours. I was already over $100 before I even started adding everything up. But here's the thing though. I think, hold on. So since I last did my calculations, I was at 87. Okay, I did $12 since then. And look, I haven't even been able to keep track because I just been keeping the wheels rolling, hitting them screenshots. I'm gonna head over to Chick-fil-A. I'll get a nice little tally once we get over there. But I'm gonna tell you right now, we over $110 for sure. Next order, $8 for 4.8 miles at Taco Bell. No, thank you. It's heading too far north for one, so I don't like it. And I got another order on Uber Eats already. It's $8 for 1 mile. So I would much rather do $8 for 1 mile than $8 for 5 miles. $1.25 for 4 miles. No, thank you. Alrighty, I did an $11 order on Uber, a $6 order, and I just got done with an $8 order. That's 25 bucks on Uber. Walmart Spark, I got my $26 order and my $23.28 order. And on Doordash, I have $46 even. Time is now 1:21, so I'm at the 3 hour 20-minute mark. $120.28, and I still got a half hour to go before we done. So I'm finna see if I can get one more good order, and then it's gonna be time to meet up with bro. And look, these results are twice as good as everything that I've done all week. I think my best day was Monday, and I made 62 bucks that day, and I'm already doubling that already, and still got 40 more minutes to do one more order. Let's get right to it. This is why it's important to multi-app. If you got a low acceptance rate, yeah, it may be times you can get, you know, a large order program order or a pizza bag program order, but for the most part, what I saw all week, getting no orders or getting low ball orders or barely making 15 bucks an hour, that's what you can expect to see with a low acceptance rate here in 2023 if you only got DoorDash. But guess what? Download some Uber, download some Grubhub, some Instacart, some Walmart, some Rover, some Roadie, whatever you gotta do. Cause that way you can make money on your terms and you won't be beholden to DoorDash. I know a couple people out in, you know, some good markets, you know, Jersey, Chicago, California, they got their Prop 22. You may be able to make it happen in certain markets with just DoorDash and a low acceptance rate. But most markets, you're not. Because the way they done changed the game up, and they got oversaturation with all these new dashers. They got people in their retirement age delivering $2 orders, and then you got high schoolers out here delivering $3 orders and $5 orders going 10 miles. So you cannot compete with that, and they're gonna have a steady stream of those folks coming in and doing those trash orders. So they don't need us no more. Honest to God, DoorDash do not need us cherry pickers no more. So you gotta make sure you maximize it and getting your money. Alrighty, just got another order. $6 for 1 mile right over at Subway. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's right over there. We finna slide. My lunch at Chipotle today. Give me some chicken, a chicken bowl or something. I'm fucking starving. So look, I walk in Chipotle, I use the bathroom. I'm like, man, why is this motherfucker staring at me? And tell me why.
Bro, trader, bro. Trader. What's up?
Hey, I appreciate you. Look.
Can I show you something now?
Yeah, absolutely. Jeez Louise, this phone get on my nerves. I need a new phone. This phone is trash. This phone is trash. I need a new device. So look, check this out. I'm done. I'm about to eat me some food. We are sitting at $31 on Uber. Let me see. DoorDash, we sitting at 46. I'm about to whip out the calculator so I can get it all calculated. I think I'm at 126 though. So 46 on DoorDash plus 31 plus I think it was 26 on Spark and 23.28. Yep. Yes sir, we had 126 bucks and 28 cents. That's the best day I done had all week. Monday was ass, Tuesday was trash, and Wednesday was ass trash. So today, Thursday, I finally hit my daily goal in less than 4 hours, and I'm about to eat me some lunch. Get home, edit this video down, and wait for bro to get here. If you take nothing else from this video, multi-app. Today's cherry picking on DoorDash is done. You ain't gonna make no money. So multi-app, get that change. You guys got my results already. How'd you do with a high AR out here in Glen Carbon? First day.
Yeah.
How'd you do, bro?
101.75, not bad. Took a couple small ones, had a couple really good ones.
Okay.
One little banger.
Any issues?
The issue is I took one Chick-fil-A that took me out where I shouldn't have been. I wasted some time on that one coming back. So I could have done a little bit better if I would have known the area, but overall, pleased. I actually made the most on lunch this week in this new zone.
Oh.
Because the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, as some of y'all might have saw, wasn't that great in St. Louis. So Glen Carbon, Edwardsville, nice little zone.
Would you recommend it for new dashers?
This area, yeah, absolutely.
Okay, well you heard it right there.
So far.
We're gonna sit here and eat some lunch